Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I have not used a toner in a really long time, but I saw this one from Ambi. It's the Even and Clear Pore Minimizing Toner, and I really liked the fact that the label said it had vitamin C in it, which is great for your skin. I like the application of this that you can just spritz it on because I don't always have a cotton pad to put toner on with, and so the application style on this is great. I like the way that it leaves my skin feeling very refreshed. It has a little bit of a tingling feel. It feels cool on your skin. You can use this as a toner and you can spritz it on, or you can put it on a cotton pad and wipe. But you can also use this throughout the day just as a refresher. It can go on after or before your makeup. And I also like the fact that this restores pH balance. It does have apple cider vinegar in it. It smells really nice. You don't smell the apple cider vinegar, which can be very strong. And it has a lot of extracts in it that are great for your skin. So if you're looking for something that is going to minimize your pores, tone your skin, then I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.